Selection tool and free transform tool of Animate. Hello there. Today we are going to learn about some selection tools in Animate 2020. To change the properties of an object, we must first select it. Some of the tools that are used for making selections in Animate are Selection tool, Free Transform tool, Polygon tool, and Lasso tool. Let's learn about selection and free transform tools in detail. Let's first launch the Adobe Animate application and open the document that we are going to work on. Here are some objects already placed on the document. Let's learn how to use the selection and free transform tools to select these objects. First, we will learn about the selection tool. The selection tool helps us select objects by clicking on an object or by enclosing the object within a rectangular selection area. To select a fill area, click the selection tool and then on the desired portion of the object. We can also select a line or a text block in the same manner. To select a filled area and stroke of the shape, double-click on the fill. To select multiple objects, click the selection tool and drag the mouse to enclose the objects within a rectangular area. We can even reshape lines and objects using this tool. When we place the mouse at the end points of an object, the pointer changes. There is a corner next to the pointer which implies that we can change the endpoints. When we place the mouse at the middle of an object, the pointer changes. There is a curve beside the pointer. This implies that we can create a curve. So, let's drag the pointer and see how the rectangle changes its shape. Next is the free transform tool. This helps us move, change the size, skew, or rotate any object. First, select the object using the selection tool. Next, select the free transform tool from the tools panel. A bounding box appears around the selected object. To move the object, simply drag it to the desired location. To change its shape, place the mouse pointer on any edge and drag diagonally, outwards to enlarge and inwards to make the object smaller. To rotate the object, place the mouse pointer on any of the four corner handles and drag it in the desired direction. To skew, place the mouse pointer on the outline of the object between the transformation handles and drag. There, we have learned about selection and free transform tools of Animate. Wasn't that simple? Here is a quick recap of the steps as well. Explore these selection tools in your lab sessions. Thank you.